Previously on Dragon Ball.
We about to scare Candy and see if we ready.
Woo!
Alright, you wanna go in the speakeasy?
Talk to us.
You wanna go in the speakeasy? Alright.
Where's the speakeasy?
You freaking got me. That was good. That was good.
Yo, if I die, at least I went out fine. Hello? Dad? Josh? Josh? I need to go. I need to go.
Welcome, adventurers, to a realm where reality blurs with imagination, where the ordinary transforms into the extraordinary. Today we embark on a journey through the mesmerizing world of Meow Wolf, the interactive art museum that defies all expectations. It was started in 2008, and if you want to hear more about the history of Meow Wolf, visit their website at meowwolf.com. They have a video that they created in 2018, how artists came together to create the most mesmerizing, crazy, real-life multiverse museum that they could do. They turned their dreams into reality, and if you want to watch that trailer, just visit their website. But here we go. Our voyage begins with a glimpse into the extraordinary story of Meow Wolf's creation. It all started with a group of artists in Santa Fe, New Mexico, who shared a dream of defining the boundaries of art and storytelling. These visionary artists, driven by a passion for immersive experiences, decided to pool their talents and resources to create something truly unique. Their goal is to craft a space that will create challenge, captivate, and inspire all who enter. As we explore the Convergence Station, we witness the manifestation of that dream. Every exhibit, every nook and cranny is a testament to their unwavering commitment to pushing artistic boundaries. The Multiverse beckons, a testament to the artist's dedication to limitless creativity. Here you're not just an observer, you're an integral part of the narrative, shaping your own adventure. The Nebula Chapel awaits, where spirituality and art converge in a cosmic embrace. It's a testament to the founder's desire to create spaces that challenge convention and spark wonder. Witness the Ouroboros, a masterpiece in perpetual transformation. Much like the journey of Meow Wolf itself, it evolves, reminding us that creativity has no limits and art knows no bounds. As we conclude our adventure, remember that Meow Wolf is not just a place, it's a testament to the power of collaboration, imagination, relentless pursuit of artistic innovation. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Meow Wolf, where reality is reimagined and art becomes an adventure. If you haven't visited yet, it's time to take that step through the portal and experience the magic for yourself. Until next time, keep dreaming and creating. Don't forget to subscribe to Hodges TV on YouTube, follow KHodge425 on Instagram, and visit KHodgeTV.com for more adventures. Thank you, stay curious, stay inspired. Hodges TV, we out.